Hello friends, how are you? Today I like to share words about the basics of the makeup. Makeup is an art, and just like any other art form, it requires practice, skill, and the right tools and products. If you're new to the world of makeup, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this beginner's guide, we'll cover the essential makeup tools and products you need to know to get started. Essential makeup tools. Brushes. Makeup brushes are essential for applying and blending makeup products on your face. There are different types of makeup brushes for different purposes, including foundation brushes, powder brushes, blush brushes, eyeshadow brushes, and lip brushes. It's important to choose high-quality brushes that will last and provide a smooth, even application. Beauty blender. A beauty blender is a sponge-like tool used for applying and blending liquid or cream products on your face. It can be used for foundation, concealer, and even contouring. A beauty blender gives a flawless finish to your makeup, and it's easy to use and clean. Tweezers. Tweezers are a must-have tool for shaping and grooming your eyebrows. They can also be used to remove any unwanted facial hair. Eyelash curler. An eyelash curler is used to curl your eyelashes before applying mascara. It makes your lashes appear longer and fuller. Sharpener. A pencil sharpener is essential for sharpening your makeup pencils like eyeliner and lip liner. It's important to keep your pencils sharp to get a precise and clean application. Essential makeup products. Foundation. Foundation is used to even out your skin tone and create a smooth base for your makeup. There are different types of foundations available, including liquid, powder, and cream. It's important to choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and skin type. Concealer. Concealer is used to cover any blemishes, dark circles, or redness on your face. It's important to choose a concealer that matches your skin tone and provides good coverage. Powder. Powder is used to set your foundation and concealer in place, making your makeup last longer. There are different types of powders available, including translucent, loose, and pressed. Blush. Blush is used to add color and dimension to your face. It comes in different shades and finishes, including matte, shimmer, and satin. It's important to choose a blush that complements your skin tone and the rest of your makeup. Mascara. Mascara is used to define and volumize your eyelashes. It comes in different formulas, including waterproof and lengthening. It's important to choose a mascara that complements your eye shape and enhances your lashes. Eyeliner. Eyeliner is used to define your eyes and create different looks. It comes in different formulas, including pencil, liquid, and gel. It's important to choose an eyeliner that matches your eye shape and the rest of your makeup. Lipstick. Lipstick is used to add color and definition to your lips. It comes in different shades and finishes, including matte, gloss, and satin. It's important to choose a lipstick that complements your skin tone and the rest of your makeup. These are the essential makeup tools and products you need to get started. However, as you become more experienced with makeup, you may want to add more tools and products to your collection. Remember, makeup is all about experimenting and having fun, so don't be afraid to try new things and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.